Hi, happy Halloween, and you're watching Geek Ghouls Review. Ooh. Hi, I'm Jessica Nova, and I'm here with my friends,
Vivacious,
Beelzebub.
Yeah, and we're going to be making some spooky treats from the unofficial, listen, nobody's trying to get sued here, the unofficial Hocus Pocus cookbook. So we picked 3 things because they're super easy
and delicious.
The first one we're going to make is the brown butter book blondies.
Ooh.
Very spooky. Are you afraid?
I'm very afraid.
Terrified. So I picked these because they're pretty easy, and I think that they have that added bit of nostalgia because they look like book. Okay, I actually think it's kind of lazy.
They're so cute, though.
They're very
minimal
cute.
Effort cute.
Yes, and that is what I appreciate. But Liz and I were talking, and I thought about you because you actually bake too. Could have definitely taken some caramel and done stitching real easily. A little even black icing.
Yeah, just a little toothpick and something.
Yeah, so we may play around because I've got a little food coloring and stuff, and we might jazz ours up a bit. But we're going to start there, and then while those are baking, we're going to show you how to make one of the mocktails in the book, and then we're going to assemble some little graveyard cups. All right? So, camera magic, and when it turns back on, we'll have sweet treats. Maybe. Unless we fuck it up. Okay? And wow. This whole butter part of the brown butter brownies is taking a lot longer than we initially anticipated. So while the butter is cooling, it's also plant butter, so we're not at all sure if it's just gonna like break down and not be anything and just be
we only
gross.
know witchcraft, not science.
It smells butter-ish. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and make the drinks. So we're gonna put Vi in the middle because I didn't know what muddling was. So we're gonna muddle apples for this. So we are making the Airhead Virgin Mocktail. It looks very fancy. We don't have glasses like that. We have glasses like these.
Ooh.
Let's
Pretty
shift.
rim. Yes. Get a look at that rim. So we're gonna take some apples, and we're just gonna.
And we're also gonna step this way. There we go. Look at that framing magic. Shut up. It's Halloween. Have fun. So now we have apple in we have what? This sugar? This sugar. On the rim, which I also didn't know how to do, and is partially why Vi is here. She's also delightful.
Mixology magic. Yes. So muddling's just basically hitting the apples with a blunt force. So I'm going to set it on the table.
Apple
And
sauce.
muddle the fuck out of it. Also, if there's a technicality there that is not quite what muddling is, don't correct.
I'm not a chef.
Yeah, or a mixologist for that matter. She does bake.
I know my way around a spatula, which is why I'm using the improper tool to muddle.
Muddling the shit out of it with a spatula. I almost said vagina.
Oh, that too.
I did.
That's where the force comes from.
See? Happy Halloween. I hope there's a happy Halloween counter so every time I say with an awkward pause, you at home can know if you're on the right number. Muddling.
Such
Ladies
fun.
and gentlemen. And them to men. Ladies and them to men.
So here's a pretty much muddled example.
Here you go. Muddled to perfection.
Smashed.
I want to see you line this rim with muddled apple in it.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I thought not through.
I bet you I could do it, but
No. Do you want to do it?
Do you want to do it?
You want
Go
to try
for
it?
I'll show you how to do it.
sure.
All right.
Show
Would you
me
like?
how to
muddle.
rim
I'll
something.
muddle. Yeah.
All right,
We're gonna
rimming.
have a rim job
My
lesson.
unexpected.
Rim job lesson. Everybody at home. I'm gonna say that again,
All right.
so you giggle.
So we're gonna plop those unmuddled apples out. So you're gonna take this, hold it upside down.
Okay.
All right. Dip it.
Oh, I thought you were gonna try and do it with the apples in it and
Oh,
put
my.
on magic.
Oh no.
I'm kind of scared.
No, don't be scared.
You've got it.
Alrighty.
I'm doing a
Now you're
horrible
just gonna
job at
put it in there and yes, 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 yes.
Oh
yes.
my goodness.
You're doing it.
Oh,
Look at this.
Ta-da!
Everybody's learning.
it's beautiful.
It's beautiful. And
I just need some of that muddling in there.
Muddle away. Everybody also, the prep time for this says 5 minutes.
it's never 5 minutes.
No, but if you hear the sound of footsteps, it's my idiot cats running around. Happy Halloween.
Kiss a black cat. Happy Halloween.
Yeah, pet every cat ever. Bring them inside.
Give them a kiss and a snack. They're very hungry out
If
there.
you're cold, they're cold. For real though.
They wear their little costume all year long. Nobody gives them a trick or treat.
I just bought more costumes for the cats. Yeah, we decided that Loki was gonna allow us to put a witch hat on him.
Yes.
Welcome for this conversation. So I bought one immediately. And when he gets here, there'll be photos.
He's got to pay rent.
Yeah.
Look, it's a hard life. I need a good one.
I need to make him his own Instagram and TikTok. I think it's the only way I'll actually make that content.
Please.
Because he's too stupid. You're also welcome for that up-to-date new fact. Stay tuned. More cats coming at you.
All right. I'd say these are all muddled enough.
Perfect. We've got muddled apples. So we add ice, which, hey, luckily we actually have. Normally, that is not here. Cinnamon and sugar. Okay, I guess they get a half a teaspoon of sugar in there.
Sweet. Got all these.
Perfect. Pour the lemon juice. Okay, so let's, who wants to grab ice?
I'll do it.
Perfect.
Lemon juice, how much?
A tablespoon of lemon juice.
Tablespoon. Alrighty.
Just yeah, a little bit.
Little bits and bobbles. And just put some in there, like
A little
Little
bit,
bit.
like a handful of ice.
handful.
Like a serving of ice.
Yes, 1 serving of ice, please.
Yeah.
I have to have the proper amount.
How about that?
That's
Beautiful.
great.
Here, I'll make it closer for
Thank you. Oh,
you. Like little clogs.
It's okay. We're doing
there we
it.
go.
I'm gonna reuse the. I'm gonna
Excellent.
reuse the rim job sugar.
Recycling. I love it.
No sugar wasted.
None.
And then I need ground cinnamon. So I did get options because we're jazzing the shit out of this recipe. By the way, we're about to get to the good parts where we went.
This is close enough.
So I brought regular cinnamon, like it says, and apple pie spice, which is gonna have. It doesn't even say. So it usually has like nutmeg and
Yeah.
other stuff in
Little
it.
something, little something.
Yeah. So that's got a little bit more. I could also get ginger because I think this
Yes.
could use
Yes.
some ginger. I
Yes.
thought about getting candied ginger for it.
Oh, that would have been so cute.
Yeah, but then, I wasn't quite sure. I didn't want to deviate too much because I did want to talk about it as is.
Oh, there goes the cats.
Yep, there went the cats. So we need
Those are so
1
cute.
teaspoon of ground cinnamon. That seems like so much.
I eyeballed what felt like enough.
Yeah,
that was under
you've already
the-
done it.
Yeah,
No,
and that was
perfect.
under that amount because that also
Perfect.
seemed like a lot.
And
So
you already added the lemon
Oh,
juice?
Yep.
Okay, so now it says just normal sparkling water. Boring. So I got the limoncello because I thought that seemed more exciting.
I like it.
It seemed like a plan. Okay, so we have that. It says our drink should have a cup of this. So I'm
This
just
is
gonna,
probably about a cup.
I don't know.
Maybe?
Do you know?
12 fluid ounces.
I think that's
What,
probably
like 8
more.
ounces?
16 ounces is a medium.
I love it.
Something.
Look at public education.
Yeah, I know. This is where we
Cheers.
fail drastically.
Cheers.
A glass of water is usually 8.
Get
Oh
more
my goodness.
in frame.
Trying.
Yes, yes.
Just butt in there. God. Diva it up. And then we need our rosemary.
Good idea.
Tastes like cake.
Oh, it does.
Can you get the rosemary?
Yes.
Yes.
And then it says put another apple slice in there if you want.
I want.
I would love.
I love rosemary in drinks.
Yeah,
I think that's so bold.
yeah, it's pretty solid. So then I also so that's pretty much the drink. There is no real apple to it aside from the slices. So I want us to try it kind of as is, but I pulled out apple cider as well because I think it's going to need that to really have a satisfying fall feel. I think this will be a nice drink, but won't quite feel like a cider mocktail.
Yeah.
But cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, also just enjoy how fucking pretty they are. Yeah, these are very pretty and they look really refreshing, but again,
They also smell really good.
they do.
Ooh,
Yeah,
smells
this is great.
I'm not mad at this. It's not fall, but I ain't mad at it.
It's actually really good at
Yeah.
this. Definitely not fall. The sugar rim really does make it. It's almost, I don't know. It's kind of like if you were going on a vacation in the woods, but you wanted to have something tropical light feeling.
Yes.
Like maybe spring in the woods.
Yeah.
Oh, my witch cabin in the spring.
My summer hut. Yeah, it's the rosemary. It brings me right to woodland.
It's nice. You want to try it with some cider in it?
Yes.
Did you try it as is, Liz?
Yes, I did. It
Yeah.
was very good.
All right, hand
Very
me the
crisp.
cider. Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry.
It does have a crispiness to it. Now we'll change the potion a little.
No one said you had to get it right on the first try.
Yeah, I think I would have probably opted, having not tried it yet. Oh, my emo bangs are all in the way. I saw My Chemical Romance on the floor, so like, you know, the bangs will do what they need to. I have a feeling that I will have preferred adding a sugar-free apple juice, but I think this will probably have the most fall feeling. Supreme. I think it ruins the flavor.
Something happened.
It ruins it for me. I do not enjoy that.
It made it more lemony, but not in a way that makes any sense to me.
I like the sugar.
I wonder if that was also mixed from the other night and isn't what I thought it was and is just left
You've
over.
been giving us mystery potions.
I think
Oh no!
viewers at home, I have just punked my friends on accident. You caught it live. I can't tell you what's in that, but if you've ever been to Dragon Con and have had apple pie,
Hello.
that was not cider. So, cheers, and we'll be back with cookies.
Woo.
Maybe. Something. We're gonna drink these. All right. And magic. Hello. We're gonna finish our spooky baking experience. I left my glasses. Hold on.
Oh.
Show the book while I get my glasses. They were previously fogged up.
So here are our book creations.
So we used vegan butter, so they did not get that brown butter color. They're definitely more, they look kind of fleshy. So I think we'll call these kind of a zombie blondie. We also modified a lot. We added butterscotch.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get tiny chocolate chips, which is what the recipe calls for. It's mostly a chocolate chip blondie.
We added coconut.
Yeah, we
Because
did.
it was going to go bad if we didn't use it.
See, we used coconut, butterscotch, same thing. It was left over and we needed to use it.
Chocolate chips.
Yes,
Well-
we did. We did cut up Hershey's Kisses and put them in it. So there's chocolate. We kind of did it.
Mm-hmm. And white chocolate.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
You get so much more with our choices. And then in the recipe, it says to get a white chocolate Hershey's Kiss, which I couldn't find. So I got white chocolate Reese's, which are much larger. And then I didn't get tiny chocolate chips, as I said. So we used regular sized Hershey's Kisses. And if you just do them this way, it really doesn't look like an eye. And this one,
This
at
one
least it's
stays
round.
in.
At least it's round. Oh, that's true. I didn't realize that.
Yeah,
That
this
looks
one.
great. So no, they don't look like this, but they taste okay-ish. So we did not do great on this, but now we're gonna do our Oreo graveyard cups, and you can stop looking at this. Travesty magic. Ooh. It's time for our final treat, and it's basically one that as long as you like everything going into it, you can't fuck it up, because it is graveyard cups. Yes. So you've probably had this. I used to actually, my little sister, it's one of the cutest things. Here, you're going to get a sentimental moment. My little sister made her first girlfriend a graveyard cake.
Aww.
And used to do a cake so it would be your graveyard cup kind of ooey gooiness that went on a chocolate cake.
I love that.
Yeah, so it's super fun.
That's so cute.
But we didn't fucking do that.
Nope.
And nor did the recipe. What did they call it in the recipe? Hold on.
Ooh.
Start showing off your cups. Just let
So
them
this
Google it.
is my cup. You can see we've got some dirt, we've got some maggots under the ground, we've got some grass and some ooey gooiness coming out from under the coffin. That's because worms, as you can see, have eaten through the top, and it's now decaying. Let's see yours.
I did a very similar approach. Mine has more of a porridge look from where the body is decrepit underneath the coffin.
Nice.
I like all the little Oreo bits in yours.
And then, so it is called William's Wormy Bed Dirt Cake, which also is confusing because, again, no cake is in this, but that's fine. We did use the Blondie recipe to make little tombstones, so even though those aren't super tasty, they're very cute.
Yeah.
And then mine, you can see I've got
Really good layers.
great graveyard shit. It's fucking delicious. The recipe only calls for chocolate pudding, which is very boring.
Yeah.
Our green is pistachio pudding, and our white is a creme brulee rice pudding. And I made our puddings with vegan whipping cream, which is fucking awesome and works so well. It worked really well. I've actually done these when just using coconut milk, and you get kind of runny. It actually is great if you do it for the pistachio, because then you get like a slime texture and it's still really good, but it doesn't really, you know, get kind of that fluffy feeling. Like, you want your chocolate pudding to have a specific texture, and you get it with the whipping cream. So
Yum.
great, now you know that.
We're gonna try it.
Yeah, let's fucking try it. So everybody has to pick a spoon.
Yeah.
Do you want the chocolate spoon or
take
the
the
Sure.
Excellent.
If you're offering, I'll take it.
Yes. So let's try our. Oh, and it only called for gummy worms in the recipe, but I got Sour Patch Kids because Hocus Pocus and eating children to stay alive. We got
And-
the snakes.
Yes, which
Yeah.
I love.
And then I got sour gummy worms because duh.
All right, ready?
Okay. Yeah. Fucking great. Oh, there's Oreos in it too.
I prefer them.
That's the shit. That's the jam. That's my favorite thing we've made all night. It is the one thing I think we truly didn't fuck up. So, happy Halloween. Eat dirt and go play with worms. All right. Bye. Woo. Like and subscribe wherever the buttons are. Bye.
Bye.